Hi everyone, this is Baka Pachinjalkar. Welcome back to Test Automation Tool Selenium. Agenda for the today is what is method overloading, example for the method overloading, and comparison between the method overloading and method overriding. Method overloading is nothing but if a class have multiple methods by the same name but different parameters, then we call it as method overloading. Method overloading is also called as static polymorphism. Number of parameters can be different for achieving the method overloading in Java programming language. I'll explain with you one example here in the Eclipse IDE. Here I'm creating one class. I have given the class name as a method overloading. I'll inherit the main method here and I'll check to the generate comments checkbox and click on finish button here. Delete all those things which are not required for me. In this class, I'll be defining one class here called demo calculations. Under that, I'll define one method called addition of type double. I'll pass two parameters of integer type number1 comma and the second parameter is number2. Just I'll do addition of two numbers and I'll return it to the addition method. Number1 addition sign here and the number2. I have defined one method. A method overloading can be achieved if you are using same method name but different parameters. I have defined one method called addition. I'll copy the same method and I'll paste it here. If you defined same method with the different parameter list, then that is called as method overloading in Java programming language. Here there are two arguments that is taken by the addition operation. You should make changes in the number of parameters. Here I have defined two parameters for this. I'll define one more parameter for that of double type. In this method also I'll do return operation of three numbers. You need to define the parameter for that called argument number 3. Here just I'm defining the number 3 parameter name of type double. Method overloading can be achieved by defining the number of parameters should be different. That is it for the method overloading. You can define a number of methods called addition but number of parameters should be in difference, like the it need not to be an double type only. It can be float type, or it can be char type, or it can be string type. In the main method, I'm creating the object for the demo calculation class. Object1 equal to new, put semicolon at the end of the statement. Here just I'm calling the addition method here. Object 1 dot, it should be caps, object 1 dot addition of, you will get two addition methods here. One is that is taking the two parameters, the second one that is taking three parameters. You can call based on the number of arguments. Here I'll define the value for the number one. Just I'll give some value 10, here 20 I'll give. Now this time I will call to the addition of three numbers. Before that I'll store this result into the double type of variable called result 2. Just I'll print that value of the variable result 2. That is it for the addition of two variables value. In the same way, I'll call to the addition of three numbers, obj1 dot, this is a reference variable for demo calculation. I'll call to the second method that takes three parameters, and here I need to mention the integer value because I have defined integer type of arguments to first two arguments, and third argument it is taking double type. Here I need to give the double type of value in decimal format. Here I'll give some 5, put semicolon at the end of the statement. You have to store it in the double type of value because the method is of type double. So here just I'm storing the value into the variable called result 3. Just I'll print the value of the result 3 using the statement called system.out.println. Addition of three numbers is here I need to write the result 3 variable. That is it. Run this program. See, addition of two numbers is 30 because I have mentioned the integer value of 10 and plus 20 equal to 30 is the result. That is correct. And the second operation is, first argument is integer type 10, the second type of argument is integer type 20. 30 plus 25.5 equal to total 55.5. that is correct result. That is it for the method overloading. I think I have covered almost what is method overloading and with an example program. Now I will explain you what is the difference between the method overloading and method overriding. Method overloading is used to increase the readability of the program. Method overriding is used to provide the specific implementation of the method which is already defined by the superclass. The second difference is, to achieve method overloading you have to use the concept called to achieve method overloading you need not to use the concept of inheritance. For achieving method overriding you need to use the concept called inheritance. The third difference is, method overloading is a good example for compile time polymorphism. I'll cover what is polymorphism in upcoming video sessions. In case of method overriding, it is a good example for the runtime polymorphism. The fourth difference is, parameters must be different in method overloading. In case of method overriding, parameters must be same. That is it for the today's video session. If you have any queries, please drop an email to bakkaPPAC@gmail.com, or else you can send out an WhatsApp message to 843-125-3007. Thanks for watching.